Stop for a moment. Before you scroll away, listen to this.
If you want to grow your confidence and English, subscribe now to JA Info Urdu. This conversation is for you.
Today we are talking about something that quietly controls your life. How to improve communication skills.
Especially if you struggle to speak. Communication is not fast English. It is clear expression.
I once met a young student. Very smart, very hardworking, but always silent.
I have seen many students like that boy. Smart but silent, they sit in class quietly.
One day, I asked him a simple question. He knew the answer, but his hands started shaking. He later told me, "When I speak, I feel everyone is judging me."
Afraid of making mistakes, inside they want to speak. But fear blocks them.
Silence feels safe for a moment, but slowly, it steals your confidence.
That fear comes from thinking too much. What will people say?
The first lesson is this. Communication is not about perfection.
Maybe you feel this too. Your heart beats fast, and you choose silence.
It is about courage. Courage to open your mouth even with mistakes.
Again and again. But silence never helps.
They practiced, they failed, and they kept speaking.
It only increases fear. The truth is simple.
Let me ask you something. Are you waiting to be perfect before you speak? Or are you brave enough to speak and learn on the way?
Mistakes are part of learning. No one laughs forever.
The second lesson is listening. Good communicators listen more than they speak.
But regret stays. Confidence comes from action, not thinking.
When you truly listen, people feel respected, and they listen to you in return.
Speak even if your English is broken. Broken English is better than no English.
Communication is connection, not competition. Now let's talk about practice.
Let me ask you, how long will you hide your voice?
Small practice, every single day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see, what you feel.
Do you want confidence or comfort?
At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort means growth.
Listening is also power. Listen to understand.
How many chances did you miss because you stayed quiet? Regret stays longer than embarrassment. Remember that.
When people feel heard, they respect you.
Here comes a powerful mindset shift. You are not bad at communication. Believe this deeply.
Communication is emotional, not just grammatical.
Your voice matters. Discipline builds confidence.
Practice daily, even 5 minutes. Read aloud.
5 minutes a day can change your life. Slowly, fear becomes smaller.
Speak slowly. Train your mind to feel safe while speaking.
And your confidence becomes stronger. If you are a student, this skill will help you succeed.
Slowly, fear disappears. Confidence appears. One day you will smile.
If you are a dreamer, it will give power to your dreams. Do not wait for the perfect moment.
Because you spoke without fear, this skill will open doors for students and dreamers.
Start now. Start small. We believe in you.
If this helped you, like and share this video.
Your journey starts with one sentence.
Subscribe to JA Info Urdu.
This is JA Info Urdu. Your voice can change your future.
And never stay silent again.